What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be unboxing a product that's actually relevant to the times, unlike that HyperX video I made a few days earlier. But yeah, I went ahead and picked up myself the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. As you can tell by this tan line, I'm a very big proponent of smartwatches and all wrist wear in general. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So one of the main reasons I got this thing was because it almost has double the battery capacity as the standard, or not the standard, but the classic Watch 4, which is what I have right here. This thing comes at 360 milliamp hours per charge or whatnot, while this nearly comes at almost double at 590 milliamp hours, which is a massive improvement. Theoretically, this should give me 2 days worth of battery life compared to this one that can almost barely half-ass get me 1 day, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Jesus Christ, I nearly cut myself. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Another big difference between this one and the Watch 4 Classic is that the case is made of titanium compared to the stainless steel that this thing is made of. And now, looking at them side by side, I think the titanium one might actually be thinner than the Watch 4, which is pretty cool. But unfortunately, one of the big reasons why I kind of didn't want to get this watch was because Samsung decided to drop the physical rotating bezel for some reason, which is very unsatisfying. I'm a big fan of just twisting this bad boy around. My brother comes up to me and twists it like Ben 10 sometimes, give it a good old slap, so that's fun. But that's unfortunate though that Samsung got rid of that. Actually, another main comparison that I saw was that this watch, the Watch 5, is actually thicker than the Watch 4 Classic because of the bigger battery that this thing packs, as well as improved sensors according to Samsung's website. But it is what it is. It also comes with some more standard shit, charger, and no charging case. One of the things that I've been doing lately to charge my phone is that, or to charge these watches, I don't have a dedicated power block to these to put at the end here, so what I end up doing is just connecting the charger to my watch, or to my laptop actually on my desk, and just charge that there and leave it for a couple hours. But another big difference between the chargers, this one comes with a USB-C instead of USB-A plug-in, which is I guess it's a big change since most things are transitioning over to USB-C since it's a smaller format and whatnot. Another thing that the watch comes with are these bands. I went ahead and picked up the black one because that's usually been my style all this time. Ever since the original Galaxy Watch, I've always gone with the silver and black look. I don't know why in particular, just does things for me in a way, I suppose. I also wanted to sometimes I get a brown band to just mix and match outfits and whatnot, but I hardly ever use it. But here it is, that old D buckle that it comes with. Apparently I think these D buckles should actually help maintain a better fit, because with this Watch 4, this is a big boy, so it won't completely tighten around my wrist since I have little skinny wrists, unfortunately. Not enough muscle there, not enough gains to take up that free real estate on the watch. Jesus Christ. Well, another thing I've noticed so far is that these things are more of a pain in the ass than to install than the Watch 4, but it is what it is, I suppose. Just pull this little pin down, line up the holes, and there it is. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be honest here. I had a small brain moment. My monkey brain couldn't comprehend how to operate this here buckle, but I finally figured it out. So basically, what you have to do is pull off this little bad boy here since it's attached to a magnet, and then what you want to do is stick this end into the band here and kind of just figure out what length you want it at. Since I have a really tiny wrist, I'm gonna go ahead and put about that much slack through, and after you figure out what length you want there, you take this little tab and fold it over and cut it off there. And once you do that, you put the actual damn thing on your wrist, and then this thing just folds in on itself and it does the rest, and there you go. And like I said earlier, I feel like this D buckle here, Jesus Christ, it actually does feel way tighter than these standard little loops right here, like a belt on the old Watch 4. So I'm already seeing a big improvement on this band. I really like this, and like I said, this magnet is really sturdy. Like I had a really difficult time figuring it out. I felt like I was gonna break this thing, but I mean, it's pretty tough in it. just clasps together again there, and it's not going anywhere, baby. Yeehaw. All right, well, while this thing boots up, I might as well just go into a bit more detail about this thing. This watch, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, comes in 2 colors. It comes in black and this silver here, which, like I said earlier, it's my personal favorite. And it also, MSRP is at around $450. I managed to get it a bit cheaper because I was able to trade in this thing, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Samsung lets you do that, so you can get things at a discount, which helps out a lot considering I'm a broke college student. Right, while the watch goes ahead and updates itself and installs all the crucial shit, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing as well. A little bonus for you, ladies and gentlemen out there: super fast wireless charger, Duo, 15 watts. That's kind of disappointing, to be honest, because I think standard watch phones nowadays come with 25 watts, 45 watts, but it is what it is. I got this for free while Samsung was doing their Unpacked event for the Z Flip 4 and whatever, and the new headphone, or the earbuds, and the Watch 5. But yeah, gonna go ahead and open this as well. Oh, that's cool. It actually comes with a plug. I was reading reviews on this thing and it said it didn't come with one, which is I found pretty surprising. Like, why wouldn't they come with a plug if it's a charger? So that's pretty cool. It's an outlet to USB-C, which is interesting because I have plenty of USB-Cs everywhere, so that's fun times. And then this charger's pretty stuck in there as well. But yeah, I found this to be that I think this is gonna be very useful for me personally, because I can just slap my phone here and then slap my charger there as well, and I can put it up onto my bed rest or whatnot. Yeah, it also comes with another USB-C to C, and this is a USB-C connection for the charger as well. And yeah, like I said, pretty useful for me personally. I can put my phone here, my earbuds, especially because I got the Buds 2 Pro as well, so stick around for that video. Cheap plug, I suppose. Also, real quick, another complaint I saw is that this charger comes with a really short USB cable, which people complain that you won't be able to have everything at arm's reach. Like I actually personally as well, my outlet underneath the bed is like 3 feet from where I usually keep my charger, so this is not 3 feet obviously. But yeah, I mean, aftermarket cables, I got plenty of them. I can have plenty of cables that can reach that distance, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, liking it. But yeah, like I was saying, onto the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro again. Let's finish this bad boy off. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. After about 20 minutes of installing shit into this watch, we're finally here. We can take the watch tour right off the bat. Pretty cool watch face, but it's pretty basic. If you have the Galaxy Watch 4 or any previous other watches from Samsung, you basically know what to do. Swipe down to look at your settings here, swipe up to go back here, then all your apps are down here as well. All simple in it. I'm just trying to speed run this thing and Samsung's holding me back. Notifications to the left, back to the watch face, and you got your tiles over here, all your little apps, home button on the red, back button on the black down here, notification, all that simple shit. Go ahead and clear all that. We don't need any of this. But yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Watch 5 Pro. And like I said, overall, compared to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it's not really that much of a big jump. The main difference is being the titanium case on the outside. I think it actually has a sapphire screen as well, which is supposedly be better and more resistant than the Watch 4's case. And also, this thing has, like I said, my main reason for buying this, it has a bigger battery life, so hopefully I can go longer stints without having to charge it, as well as having a better body sensors. Hopefully I can track my sleep better and all that good shit. But yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Galaxy Watch 5. Overall, I don't know, I like to have all the most recent tech, so yeah. I'm happy with this purchase. My main complaint, and it's gonna be a very little complaint, is that it doesn't have a rotating bezel. I just think it's so annoying. So I'm just gonna end up swiping this thing, getting it all dirty, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It's a watch. It's supposed to be very resistant, bulletproof and whatnot. But yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe and all that good shit. Stick around for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro unboxing as well later on this week. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.